The Environment Institute was really set up in the first place because the university recognised that we had a group of very talented individuals in the areas of evolutionary biology and ecology in particular, and the university recognised that this was a group of people that if we gave some extra resources to, could produce something well out of the ordinary. Collaboration is a really exciting part of what we do. We're also keen to see individuals reach their own personal optimum, but collaboration is probably the most rewarding thing we've seen come out of the Environment Institute to date. Fundamentally, these are our highest quality researchers, and universities are also very keen to support blue skies research, because if we get into the really fundamental research problems and find the solutions to some of those, you tend to make the really big advances, both economically, socially and in just plain science. So we're keen to support applied research where there's a particular problem that needs solving. We're also keen to support research at the highest level so that big new ideas come forward and sometimes big new solutions to some of our major problems come with them. It's the way of the world now that most people who fund research or who are defining what the big research problems are understand that we've gone well past the point where single individuals can have the skill set to do the complicated research that's required to solve them. So it's far more critical than it ever has been to bring expertise together to have a multi-pronged attack on these big research problems. Well, South Australia is a really important environment to do climate change research because we live in such a marginal strip of land on the edge of a very dry state. So for this state, climate change has always been high on the agenda, well ahead of the rest of the world. And I think as a result of that, we've seen some people attracted to come to this university who saw that opportunity and understood that we had a state that was right behind climate change research. As a result of that, we've certainly seen some development of very important research in that area. One of the things that's happening right now that is developing well is the interaction between climate change, agricultural systems and conservation. And that brings together a whole range of people, including some very important researchers from outside the Environment Institute in the agricultural space, where I think there's a great future for this state and for the country as a whole.